Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to enable the controller vibration on Mecha Break. So all you have to do is launch the game on your console or on your PC and access this homepage. And then from here, use the controller icon pointer or the mouse pointer icon and select menu at the bottom right corner. And then from the options that appear, select settings. Now within the settings, all you have to do is select controller. And then under the controller, simply select overall control. So select that. And then I'll scroll down and find controller vibration. So here it is. So if it's disabled and you'd like to enable it, all you have to do is select the arrows next to the controller vibration option and select it to on, and that will enable controller vibration on Mecha Break. Additionally, once you enable it, you should see the option vibration intensity. Now you can adjust this value to suit your needs. So all you have to do is press and hold the slider icon and adjust the value to suit your needs. And once you're done, you can simply exit and the changes will be applied. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.